is the partner or rep supposed to do for you? Promotion is to act as agent that help with promotion in the export market. Pre-contract negotiation is to help in handling pre-contract negotiation. Prospecting for buyer is to help in prospecting for buyer abroad. Purchase order is to help in securing export contract from buyer abroad. Payment method is to enable exporter to use any payment method. Now, I told you of different payment methods, right? Letter of credit, bill for collection, open account. Some of them have risk. Some of them are secure. But if I have a rep, I can use anyone. Because the rep can help me protect me whenever I'm on duty export. Paperwork help in handling documentation in the export market. Payment recovery help in handling recovery of payment default. Post-clearance inspection help in handling post-clearance inspection at destination. Post-sale support help in handling post-sale services. Some products might require that, like gadget, and profit. Now, it's important to know that the partner earn a commission for all the services rendered.
Sir, what to answer?
Where, sir? Overseas sales representative. Lastly, you need to get record. You want to get buyer? Some of the things I talked to you about today, you find most of them here and explain in more detail. This is 60,000, 100 actually. We discount to 60, but we are giving you in this class for 50 for those that will buy here, not those that will buy later. Then we have an export mentoring program. This export mentoring program, you stand the chance of recovering your mentoring feedback. Because we have export projects in the class you can invest in while the project is going on. It's what I told that people donate money and you don't sign agreement. So that means if you are in the class and you invest in the project, it helps to also practically learn while we do the shipment together. And then, but you can recover your costs. That means what you pay. Guaranteed contact of 5 active buyers. So we give contact of, so we are looking for a product, we can get contact of active buyer in that country for you. Free advisory service. Commencement of your first shipment within 3 to 6 months, even though the program is now about 8 months. Mastering how to find buyers. Step-by-step handholding, access to contract manufacturers, comprehensive capacity building, and access to packaging manufacturers company. And bonus, you get export starter pack. You get this. If you're in that class, you get this. Then we also have an export coaching program. The export coaching program covers. This one is a one-on-one session. It doesn't require any training. Some people say, "Oh, I have issue with logistics, I have issue with payment, I have issue with documentation, I have issue with whatever it is." It covers product advisory, market advisory, pricing advisory, paperwork advisory, payment advisory, contract advisory, readiness advisory, logistics advisory, and finance advisory. Practical guide in export, one-on-one session with the mentor, hand-holding. You have a personal account manager you can call any time of the day if you have a question or issue. And you have access to a platform where you have a lot of resources and it's a lifetime access on that platform. This program, this is the program that Mr. Daniel was talking about. We do a free webinar every Thursday by 5 p.m. Every Thursday. We've done 50-something products already. This week we are looking at leather products. Last week we discussed coconut water. 2 weeks ago we discussed coconut flour. 3 weeks ago we discussed coconut. Yes, now we have plenty products. But tomorrow we are looking at leather articles in case we want to be buying from our brother in Aba to export. How do you find market? What are the process involved? So it's all every week. We do different products. We have over 100 products we are looking at, and we are currently at episode 56. Wow. And we have over 100 products. Thank you. And it's free webinar.
How do you get the link?
Now, that's why I said you join this Telegram, you see the link there.
How do you access to recorded?
No, you pay for it.
How much?
100K. So you're attending free. Yes, 100K for each episode. Yes. Yes. That's what he's talking about. Visit globaltradecollect.com. Globaltradecollect.com. You will see them there.
Website.
Yes, global trade. But it's not free, or you pay to access it. Globaltradecollege.com. African Export Business Platform. If you visit this platform, you get the link. You can join us You can join it for free. Now, why do you have to pay? Or let's not pay for the previous one. The one on cocoa, cashew, ginger, gum arabic, soya beans, shea butter, shea nut, and you pay for that one. You pay for that one.
I don't know for one.
How much will drop for you?
No discounts.
No discount. No, for that one. No, if you are doing more than one, I'm sure my colleague can
Global
post
what,
that.
sir?
Globaltradecollege.com.
Okay, global.
College.com.